What are you looking for? Huh? Got his head buried in the snow. Stop looking for mice. Come on. Come here, you. Stop picking on the mice. You can hear them too. It's funny. Oh, buddy boy. Scaring all the squirrels, dude. So somebody's already been through here today. Not me. But this area is pretty good. I haven't seen any questionable snow. Talk about the yellow snow. That's what we don't want him in there. I don't take him to dog parks for the same reason. You don't know what those dogs have got. They're sick. They have anything contagious. And by experience, not everybody looks after their pets the way they should. And I'm telling you, I'll be the first guy to say I have a right to say that, considering I just lost 2 dogs in the matter of a few years, just from illnesses due to other people's neglect. Excuse me there. Getting all winded. Some good exercise. Yes, recently lost 2 dogs. Rescue dogs. I rescued them. Actually, one was kind of a rehome at first, but after a while, I start realizing she was a rescue as well. She just passed away a few months ago. May she rest in peace. Good daddy girl. She was an awesome dog. I'm coming, buddy. Let me catch up here. Pulls me along.